Ready? Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna just try. The eye socket is a brand new tool for iPhone X repair. It solves the problem of constantly having to desolder and resolder the two circuit boards together. You start by opening the jig. The jig is fully machined out of aluminum, CNC. Start by opening the jig, removing the top layer, removing the middle layer with the pogo pins, and then the bottom layer sticks on with magnets to the base. You then place the bottom circuit board onto the jig, making sure to align it with the pins. Next goes on the layer with the pogo pins, again aligned via the alignment pins. And then finally the top layer of the iPhone X circuit board goes on top, followed by the top jig. You also can choose to attach the display extension cable at this time. And then finally the top piece of the jig snaps onto the two side snaps, side wing clips. And then finally attach the remainder of the display extension cable. Next, attach the power. This is an Ipower Pro for both powering the logic board and turning the logic board on so that you don't have to use tweezers or a power button. And then finally attach the screen to the screen extension cable. And finally, you can turn on the logic board and boot the phone. That's all there is to it. It's a really easy way to repair iPhone X logic boards and test them before you solder the two layers back together. This will save a lot of time out of your repair process. And you can see we have a fully booted iPhone X. Despite the boards not being soldered together, the phone still works completely. Good? Yeah. Good. Yeah, I think it was good. Do you like? Okay.